Asenivusele Maswati akithi kuto tonke ninkalo telive sengivele ngiyo insimbi yesiphohlongo namhla kulisonto tingemashumi lamabili nakutsatfu enyangeni yeNdlovulenkulu March 2025 so selihlelweni ke Maswati akithi i-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini uhleli naye comrade Velapho kaMamba Sibongo the Black Mamba mawuthandza ke ungathi the original Black Mamba ungahamba ke ucedze umhlaba ngiyafunga ke ngiyagomela angeke uyithole lenye iBlack Mamba lenjengale lohlala nayo njalo ngalesikhathi lesi umfana wabogogo nabomkhulu khona emakhaya batsheleni ke Maswati akithi ukuthi seyikhona iBlack Mamba yanivusela kahle kakhulu nayo seyithumbeleda nalo lonke live sinivusela ke Maswati emagumbini lamane emhlaba nakuto tonke tinkhalo telive noma ke ungekhathe evenda kangwane noma ungephandle kwalo live ku diaspora iyanivusela ke iBlack Mamba ithi sesifikile isikhathi sekuthi nithinzane khona lapha emakhaya lapho nikhona khona naselikolo Maswati nasetigangeni la nikhona khona ngekwehlukahlukana kwenu Maswati akithi siyanithanda kakhulu siyeva nekuthi uhulumende wetinkundla so wakhe masu ukuthi anithelise anihlantise nibaleka la eveni nibalekele kulamanye emave sekufuna ukuthi niphindze nilandzelwe nilandzelwe nimunywe nisengwe lengadi yonke nithi noma nihleli lengeshe emaveni lathuthukile kodwa ibe solo imali nengadi yenu imunywa lengemuva ekhaya kubonakala ukuthi awunembala kwakhiwa imikhobo kuwo eMaswati kuthi kusenjalo ke kukhanya ukuthi nimunywa kanjena nje kude mbambamba lesingakukhomba ukuthi naku-ke eMaswati lesingathi njengoba kuthathwa imali kangaka kuwo nje athola ke A B C na D silapha ke lihlelweni i-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini ngokuthi sibe nato letinkulumo Maswati la letiyawujike tinivule wona emehlo nato tingcondo ukuthi eMaswati akube khona letingcoco la emakhaya ngiyabonga nje kakhulu ngoba siyathola imibiko lapha abantu basibhalela basikhuthata babuta lokwa nalokwa siyazama ke kubaphendula lapho singabaphendula khona bavuseleni ke bogogo nabomkhulu nithi ngingangena khona la ehlelweni Maswati akithi bese ke senithinza lona likinobho lekuhambisa nekushelelisa tona tingcoco nelinkulumo tanamuhla ngoba namhla sizabe siteka indzaba lenkulu kakhulu Maswati bogogo nabomkhulu nje batsheleni ukuthi iBlack Mamba itabi ichaza ukuthi kubangelwa yini lokuthi ngaphasi kwetinkundla bangakhoni bogogo nabomkhulu emakhaya kuhola nayi imali lesayibeka la sayijuba kwekuthi sifuna bogogo nabomkhulu kulo lonke leli bahole imali enganga-2,000 emalangeni ngenyanga bayihole le mali bayiholele ukuthi basebentile kulelive sitawuchaza ke kuyangani ukuthi kube netincabekelwano bogogo nabomkhulu banikedwe imbasha nayo le mbasha nabaniketwa baniketwa ngemancozincozi ngasiko ukuthi mhlawumbe bayithola njalo ngenyanga kuyemiwa inyanga lenintsatfu bese ke sebayanikwa uyabona ukuthi lo hulumeni wetinkundla udlala ngala Maswati sitawube sibuka ke eMaswati isihloko lesithi Royal Expenditure the curse of a nation in bondage lesingathi ke nasikuhumusha ngeSiswati ukuthi sibuka namhla timali leticitfwa bukhosi noma ke letisetshenziswa bukhosi sithi ke sicale kiso lesi salelive lelikhungekile sisho njalo ke isihloko sethu namhla ukuthi le ndlela lobukhosi lesinabo eveni lobusesinza ngayo nasifika endzabeni tetimali uyabona lokuthi lelive lide likusasa mbambamba ngesilungu singathi the royal expenditure has become unsustainable in our country and sitakubuka ke lokhu Maswati ngalokugcwele namhla luhlelo lwethu litawulandzela kakhulu tinombolo ngoba kumcoka lokuthi nasikhuluma sihlatiye ngendlela letawutshengisa lokuthi letinto lesitikhulumako tiphekiwe talolongwa tacilongwa tingito sicolise nje Maswati ukuthi umuntu uke waphosta la earlier today kwaba ne-typo lapha kwangeteka lomnye 3 ngesiphosiso lapha sende ama-calculations kwase kuba nesithombe emcondo cishe lesingathi silahlisa umkhondo kuloku lebesifuna ukukhulumisa kodwa-ke sibe sesiyakulungisa lokho sitawuphinde sikucacise sisakhuluma khona la ehlelweni namhla ngoba luhlelo lolu lweMaswati luhlelo lwenhlalakahle sihlale sisho-ke Maswati ukuthi thina la ka-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini sifuna eMaswati onke abe nemali eMaswati onke abe nekuphumelela abe ne-prosperity asiyifuni yonke le nto kokuthi kuthiwe hawu imali imphanze esono noma kuthiwe hawu eMaswati akanaka indilinga ayawuthi kanganaka indilinga bese kuhamba kahle konke eveni kube labantu labathi akunakwe indilinga bona babhizi ngathi-ke labathi akunakwe umculo bona babhizi nendilinga nine bathi banidilima tabo nje niphe kunakana neliphepha bona banake le nto sibili lekuyimali sithi-ke thina sifuna eMaswati anake imali anake nethi uhulumende wawo uyisebenzisa njani imali yesive iyaphi le mali so lesitabe sikubuka-ke kulesihloko sanamhla Maswati ngilokho ukuthi letimali talelive tisebenzise kanjani uyangani lokho ukuthi imali letiningi letingena la kulelive kube imali letisebenta bukhosi ungazi ukuthi thina labanye sonke la eveni sikhosele lelive lonke selajikiswa laba indlangayo yebantfu labalidlanzana losokungathi nje nawungathi uyababala ngoba labantu labangibona badla le mali yelive balapha ebukhosini bakulomndeni loholwa nguNkosi Mswati wesithathu njenganyalo balidlanzana labantu laba abenci ngisho ku-1000 webantu mbambambamba mase singathi nje siyabala lo mndeni ngco lo ngiwona udla imali delive bese uyadibuta-ke ukuthi njengoba le live lina 1.2 million weMaswati uyangani ukuthi imali leningi yalo idliwe ngileli dlanzana leli sitabe sibuka leto tindzaba leto ke Maswati kakhulu sigcile la ekutheni sibonile la itindzaba tiphuma kwekuthi liholo lenkosi nebukhosi ngoba afuna sikucacise lokuthi liholo lakhe nalabanye labalapha endlini ebukhosi likhuliswe nga-55 million sikeke sakuchaza lokhu ngasemva la ka-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini nasikhulumisa indzaba yetemaphakelo niyawukhumbula Maswati ukuthi sathi nasiyibala yonke imali lefika ebukhosini safika ku-over 1 billion sitaphinde simkhumbude-ke nasesifika esigabeni sesibili sayo inkulumo yanamhla the exact figures so that nilobona ukuthi sidila nani la kodwa-ke njengenhlala yenta Maswati asesicale-ke ngendzaba nje cishe letimbili lesitatikhulumisa la njengoba sisenda njalo nasivula lona luhlelo siyayibona indzaba yemakhabhali asite sakhomenta kakhulu kuyo ngoba indzaba yekhabhali ijulile ijulile kufuna ukuthi nawutibuka letindzaba tonke letiphuma la kaSwaziland News letiphuma ka-Times letiphuma ka-Observer letiphuma kuphi kuwe emakhasi emoya bese uyadibuta ukuthi what is the real story ngoba sikhona le story lotawufuna ukuthi utshelwe ngumhleli sona khanje ukuthi ngiso-ke le story lafuna umhleli usadi kufaka ekhathi naye lo mhleli wala kaSwaziland News bese kuba nale story yabona mos le story mbamba losho ukuthi-ke funa ukuthi wena nawusekhaya bese uyahlatiya uyathungatha ukuthi ngisiphi le story mbamba sithini mbamba so nasibuka le ndzaba le Maswati yakaSwazimed ngibekise nendzaba yemakhabhali lekhulunywa velonke funa sitibuta ethi kukhulunywa ngekhabhali ngabe sekwente enjani kwentiwani in the structures of power yini lenyakatiswako ngoba ngeke nje ukuthi ungathi kuchanga ndvunankulu elive athi kunekhabhali bese nawe uthi nembala you must analyze ubuye uthi ndvunankulu kunekhabhali ushoni ya sibuka ke leto tindzaba leto Maswati nalokunye lokunengi lapha ke indzaba lesifuna kuyibuka kuna indzaba eRiposa le indzaba eRiposa sibona kuthunjwa kwa Mabhalane lomkhulu wayo iRiposa comrade Dumisile wakaKhumalo siyathi ke lokuthi yena uDikhanza ngasilo licomrade kodwa thina sithi bonke bantfu labalwela inhlalakahle yalabanye bantfu kulelive those are comrades noma bona bayabuphika bucomrade noma bayabuvuma bucomrade but they are comrades so long as they fight against oppression and they uplift the welfare of other eMaswati sikhanza ukuthi labo bantu labo banemoya webuphudemo ya ngoba kumcwa kakhulu lokho Maswati ithi squad ithi wonke umuntu la kulelive sini Maswati sihlushwa ama-sinuses thina labanye la wonke umuntu kulelive lekukhanya ukuthi umelelana ne-injustice lekukhanya ukuthi umelelana nebukhosi uyiphudemo lo muntu loyo unemoya webuphudemo umoya ke webuphudemo umoya wenkululeko uyabona nje na uvula lifastelo ungena umoya loshaya kamnanzi lophephetelako umoya wephudemo bowathi fresh air leyo umoya wempilo ya ngoba bonke bantu lekukhanya ukuthi bamelelene nekugcilateka kwesive seMaswati bayiphudemo labo bantu labo so ke bendlule kuba iphudemo bangema-comrades bangeMaswati sisho njalo ke la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini sithi ke le nkululeko yelive inensika yayo lensika ke iphudemo sekungabe seke kuyaphuma ukuthi awu njengoba kusibona nje ukhanze sekukhona labanye labaphumile babheka le bakacagogwana lapha nalapha kodwa kutotona leto ticagogwana bayiphudemo banemoya wephudemo lesikhutsatako ke lo ngoba nguwo umoya wephudemo lotawuletha inguquko evele sisho njalo Maswati so ke sithi ke kulendzaba lena yeRiposa thina Maswati la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini sithi emaphoyisa kade kwasasiwatshela ukuthi kumcoka ukuthi emaphoyisa angenele umzabalazo asiyiva nje lento ukuthi kutaba nemaphoyisa lashaya amanye amaphoyisa washayela inhlalakahle kuthi ngathi emaphoyisa angenele umzabalazo wekhulula live kuze kuthi emaphoyisa inhlalakahle yawo nawo itewubukwa ngeliso lelikhaliphile ibukwe nguhulumende weMaswati lokufaka ekhathi lamaphoyisa sifuna kusho njalo asinobe siyikhuluma sanza nayo nabo bakaRiposa kufuna bathi lokuthi we are not to be used ukuthi nje silibloho lokuthi sisetshenziswe lokuthi bathole le mali labayifunako bese emva kwaloko sesibona emaphoyisa njengoba enda nje ahambe embili lapha konke la kuthi kuhlangana khona eMaswati afaka isicwaya afaka i-tear gas afaka lokho nalokho asikufuni lokho live sike sasho kanengi ukuthi lento ukuthi bantu bene-culture evene ethi bantu bashaywe babadzala kusukela nje abantu abadzala bashaywe yinto lembi leyo ngoba ama-adults should not be subjected to torture and beatings kahle it's a bad culture bantu fanele bahlonishwe bekunene evene sendlule ke bese sibuka yona lendzaba nje emaphoyisa jikelele lesibonako la sibona emaphoyisa misa imarch abantu besikolo bebaphumile la bashulungana balwa nendzaba yekuhlukubeteka kwebantfwana evele sabona amaphoyisa abamisa ivala leyo march leyo sikuthe kusesenjalo sabona umhlangano lomkhulu corporate body lengangeSwaziland ibhodi yayo ihlala yenti press conference sibona kungena emaphoyisa ayivimba. A very a damning public exercise for this government. Le tarnish image live in terms of business confidence, in terms of ease of doing business in the country, in terms of generally the respect of the principles of association and free speech, which are necessary for a thriving business environment. So asathi ke lokho ukuthi labaphethe emaphoyisa nalabo bebathumile bothula idladla ba appreciate yini the scale of damage that this has caused. Kwathi emaphoyisa nje angasuka ayovala umhlangano weboard we-entity lenkulu kangaka lenjengeSwazimed. Asite sangena ke lalihlelweni ka-Visionary Perspectives ukuthi kwendekani kaSwazimed ngoba side the full details and the full grasp of whatever is happening there. But labo labanako batastekela lethu tindzaba lethu. Thina nje lesikushoko ngiloko ukuthi it is a very bad thing ukuthi ma-corporate entities athi enda umsebenzi wawo evele bese uhulumende uthumela emaphoyisa uyowuvala leyo mihlangano leyo. Kukhomba ke lokhu Maswati into yinye kwekuthi excuse me, le live lonke is now a police state. It's a militarized country. Lokhanya kwekuthi selibanjwe ngesibhamu le live. And siyabona lokho ukuthi kusetshenziswa strategy of containment. Sitake sibuye ke la sikuchaza lokunganyelanga sanze nje ngalendzaba emaphoyisa ukuthi lesekwenteka nyalo kulelive sekuvalwe sonke square inch ukuthi kubede nje lithuba nalelincane lapho khona ama citizens angahlangana khona at the express. Highly policed, highly militarized, very brutal state. This is what is happening even lakithi. Asesingene ke Maswati nyalo sibuke indzaba lesihlanganisile kakhulu ngoba ngifuna ngena kakhulu khona ngoba imicwa kakhulu ufuna siyihlatiye ngishito sinetinombolo etinenge lendabe ngitihlatiya la kodwa the essence of it all kwekuthi sifuna niconze Maswati ukuthi ngaphasi kwehulumende wetinkundla ngibani lomcoka sive noma because and sihlale sisho ke thina la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini ukuthi lelive leli lahloleleka sibili ngoba sibona sibona umsila ujikitisa inja inja indiza emoyeni ijikitiswa ngumsila bese sibona lidlanzana liphethe linenge. So singayibeka kanjalo lendzaba ukuthi sibona umsila ujikitisa inja kanti phela maniphila la emhlabeni ordinarily uyakukhanze ukuthi lo msila ujikitiswa ngilenkomo bese kuthi lenkomo ngeke ijikitiswe ngilomsila. Kungaba simanga nje na ungabona inkomo indize emoyeni ekhanya ukuthi umsila uphasi inkomo isedumo. Ngaba simanga ungafuna ukuthi ubone ukuthi ubone emangaba asho njalo eMaswati sithi awukaboni tika ubone emangaba nakungathiwa nje kwendeke into lenjalo. So le live lethu ke likanjalo lama structures ethu lesinawo ma political institutions onke la khona kule live exemplify lesimo lesibuso sekuthi umsila ujikitise inja noma ke umsila ujikitise inkomo. So silapho la sikhona khona sitawuchaza ke lokho ukuthi leyo ngo leyo ngiyo lebesibanga nekuthi imali taleli tingayi la kunaleti dzingeko tala Maswati khona. Imali talelive bese tiya le emsileni adisayi lenkomeni. So ngayibuka ke into yokuthi nawudla udla kudla ukhanye ukuthi uyathi ondla lenkomo une feedlot ubone kukhuluphala lomsila isala lenkomo kukhuluphala lomsila uzima ukube ngaka lenkomo isale yona ubone ukuthi hey sitawudla oxtail lenonile sibili kodwa lenkomo yona izaqile yonzile lento leyendekako ke eveni lethu le Maswati. So ke sesingena kule nkulumo sikhanza ke ukuthi sitawubekisa ngalo 55 million Maswati. Sibekisa ngalo 55 million kodwa sitase siyendlula sibuka sibuka nale budget nje yebukhosi yona general, bese ke sesiba propositional ukuthi yini tinvo live lelifanele litende noma ke liticabange ukuze letinye tale tinvo leti event tishintshe, ngoba siluhlelo thina lelingabhilivi ukuthi kumele kuthi yonke into si-criticize kuphela. This is a program that is also supposed to bring solutions to national problems, and make sure ukuthi from a policy standpoint, if these recommendations that we always make here are considered and implemented, some of them can bring value to this country, can bring equitable justice, and can bring a much better standard of livelihood for eMaswati. Asesicale nje la Maswati ukuthi lo 55 million lona lokukhushulwe liholo lenkosi ngalo akusiyonke le budget yebukhosi lekhuphukile. Sishito ukuthi ibudget yebukhosi right now is 1.3 billion. So it's 1,394,532,779. Imali leyo lesisihlanganisa sikhanze ukuthi imali lesingayireflecta ke noma lesikhona ukuyicleana from lama budget figures. Sike sachaza before ukuthi kuna 511 million we-civil and royal emoluments list, i-civil and royal emoluments list lebhadala bukhosi fake ekhathi bese kuba nema-costs laseceleni e-close protection lasemaphoyiseni naka-correctional services, bese kuba nemali leseceleni leya e-King's Office through i-National Treasury. Nawuthi ihlanganisa tonke leti mali leti tikuniketa lo 1,394,532,779 emalangeni and 0 cents. Ngiyo-ke imali le kwanyalo. And le mali lena ke Maswati imali njengoba ngisho le khona kuma-budget estimates. Nawuthi nika isikhathi uhambe uyi-identifya la kule budget utawukhona ukutibona leto timali. Ayifaki ekhathi nginakugcizelela, ayifaki ekhathi timali letinye letiphumako ematiko ahulumende njalo uma kunemisebenzi yebukhosi. Timali letiphumako ngaba ngipetrol wetimoto, bodizili, bema-trucks, mahiya lathengwako, ugani lobucushwako, tinkomo letithengwako, yonke le nyakanyaka le figure lengikhuluma ngayo ayikufaki lokho. Kwesibili, le figure lengikhuluma ngayo ayifaki timali letichamuka etinbeni letifana nema-shares labanjwe inkosi njengoba sitakukhulumisa nako lokho la ehlelweni. Kodwa-ke lo 55 million lesikhuluma ngayo lesitawucala nje sibekise ngayo, uma singamthatha sithi lo 55 million lokukhuliswe ngayo leli holo lebukhosi, simthathe simdivide nga-2,000 emalangeni, losho ukuthi sithi 55 million divided by 2,000 emalangeni, sithola-ke ukuthi bogogo labang 27,500 bangathola 2,000 emalangeni amunye once off, right? Losho ukuthi kanye 27,500 wabogogo nabomkhulu. Uma ngabe besingathi inkosi ayikakhushulelwa le mali le, instead yathathwa le mali yaniketwa labogogo labo, besinganika bogogo labang 27,500 bogogo nabamkhulu le 2,000 emalangeni each. Losho ukuthi 2,000 wemali umuntu amunye kanye. Losho ukuthi ayinjalo ngenyanga kanye once off, nasebenzisa le figure le. Asesicale ke sibuke Maswati ukuthi ngibani inkosi Mswati i-wealth yakhe ithini. Seshayine nje spotlight lapho, bathini betindzaba, ithini research, how rich is the king? And sifuna kusho ukuthi the king is a billionaire. Wekucala lofanele ukubambe lokho ukuthi inkosi Mswati na ukhuluma ngayo awukhulumi njengemuntu nje lo luphuya. You are talking about a billionaire here. Ukhuluma ngemuntu lonemali excessive wealth. Sikhuluma ngemali, imali. Bese of course kuba khona tindlu la ivalelwe khona le mali esingathi ngema-assets. Kungaba ngema-business thide, kungaba physical assets, umhlaba, tindlu, tindiza, imoto, bafati, tonke lento leti singasho sima-asset is a wealthy man. Kodwa-ke nasi siyabuka njengoba sitawubukisisa la eMaswati wona kanti aphuyile ngalenye indlela lecakile. Sitawungena-ke kulokho sicala nyalo lokuthi nawubuka i-Forbes-ke inanayo i-ranking la ibuka khona ngokuthi i-Forbes Royal List ranking ukuthi emakhosi lakhona la emhlabeni arenka ngemicebo, arenka ukuthi anabo malini, worth malini, i-net value i-net worth yabo. Sikhanza ukuthi-ke inkosi Mswati is worth an estimated, and ukubambe lokho, an estimated $200 million. Losho ukuthi inkosi Mswati bunjinga bayo bubalelwa etigidini leting-200 letingemakhulu lamabili etigidzi temali yaseMelika, i-United States dollars. Losho ukuthi 200 million. Lo 200 million ke na umthatha umbuyisa ngala erandini noma-ke kulo langeni, ngoba lirandi nelangeni into yinye. Sisebenzise nje ngemabomu sithi 1 United States dollars is equals to 18 rand ngemabomu. Kusho ukuthi-ke sitawuthi 200 million times 18 emalangeni. Dase-ke kusiniketa 3.6 billion. Losho ukuthi tigidzi letintsatfu netigidzi letingemashumi makhulu lasithupha. Losho ukuthi 3.6 billion emalangeni i-value noma i-net worth yenkosi Mswati wesithathu. So icebile kakhulu le ndvodza le. Iceba-ke kuphi-ke? Iceba ngekutapa la emalini yaletilima letingemaswati, ngoba ngicolise emaswati ukuthi ngilibeke nje ngembaba mhlawumbe liyawehla lilumele lelo gama, kodwa kuyabonakala ukuthi la emaswati khanzakala ukuthi kulento leyenteka kule live emaswati atilima, inclusive of myself. Sitilima kule live and we've been made fools for the longest of times kulento leyenteka. Lenye-ke imali la ichamuka khona yenkosi Mswati ichamuka kuma-minerals. Sikhulumile kakhulu la ehlelweni ukuthi i-shareholding structure ungabuyela emuva unake lelo hlelo lebe sikhuluma khona ngema-mining revenues, ukuthi umcebo waphasi ikakhulu umcebo wemalahle, umcebo weligolide, umcebo welidayamani, umcebo we-green-chat, umcebo we-quarry, umcebo wemhlabathi, umcebo walo lonke nje lihlobo lwengathi umnotho waphasi longawucabanga lokhona eveni. Ema-revenues akhona aya kuphi? Sikhanza ukuthi inkosi Mswati in terms of the Mines and Minerals Act ya 2011 ngiyo lephethe 25% ekhikhini layo yaleto timali leto. Bese kwekuthi-ke 50% uphathwa yi-investor, bese kusilomnye 25% uphathwa nguhulumende, le 15% wakhona uya kuhulumende, 10% fanele kube imali lesala lemangweni la kunale mine khona. Angeke-ke singene kulo ngoba sesakukhulumisa kadzeni la niyakwata emakhaya. Kodwa lesifuna ukukulanza ngilokho ukuthi lo mcebo longaka lo la etandleni talenkosi le-billionaire umcebo lo fanele ethi ngawo usetandleni tahulumende lokhethwe ngemaswati. Ngoba lesikubonako la ukuthi letimali leti letiphethwe ngile nkosi lechamuka kulo mnotho waphasi kuyagangwa kakhulu ngoba letimali tidliwa lapha ebukhosini kanti fanele letimali tidliwe lapha ephalamende. Nangithi-ke fanele tidliwe ephalamende angisho ukuthi fanele tidliwe ama-MPs, ngisho ukuthi fanele tidliwe ngemaswati, ngekuthi leto timali leto tibe setiya-allocate-wa tiyafakwa tiyaphakelwa kumatiko latawusebenta tindzaba letitsintsana ngemaswati. Kanjalo-ke la siphinde sibona i-agriculture. Siyathi itsi live lakangwane live lelihambe embili ngetekulima, linemhlabathi lovunzile lonotsile, satiwa kakhulu emhlabeni ngashukela, satiwa kakhulu ngetingodlo noma-ke i-forestry, satiwa nge-citrus, la ukhanza khona ma-grapefruit, ma-orange, bo-pineapple. Siyathi nyalo sekucalwe nema-macadamia nuts, sekucalwe naletinye ama-varieties etithelo lekukhanya kwekuthi tiyalinywa khona evela. Uto tonke lentfo leti-ke Maswati sikhanza sandla senkosi asikafinyeli kuyawuthatha letintfo lefanele ngathi thathwa ngemaswati. So kunetibiyo inkampani lenkulu lekhona eveni lesingathi nasiyibuka sihlale sisho la ka-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini ngokuthi empeleni kude isidingo sekwakha i-Sovereign Wealth Fund la kulelive, ngoba phela tibiyo tikhona. Ngito-ke letibiyo latisebenzisako inkosi Mswati kweba le mali kuto tonke inhlangothi tale economy lesinayo silive. So lo bukhosi lobu buyasidulela, bese-ke kuba naletinye tinhlangothi temnotho, kunabo retail, kunabo ICT, tetincingo netekuchumana, technology, nani. Onke lama sectors lawo uyawukhanza athi tibiyo tikhona, indlovukazi ikhona, inkosi ikhona, tisuka tikhona, wonke lo mnotho walelive. Ngisho nakungathiwa kusunguleka ibhizinisi yetintuthwane, ngibekisela nje ngento lelula Mswati. Nakungathiwa nje kuyasukeleka kudiscover ukuthi hey, na ungabe njalo ungaba nje uharvest tintuthwane utifaka enkomishini bese uyathengisa ngenkomishi, mhlawumbe utawuthola 10 million inkomishi yinye, ungakhanza Mswati asalakhathi naye asathi tintuthwane ngetakhe. That is what can happen la kulelive. So every business industry lekhona la eveni inalesifesane sanabukhosi lokuthi konke lokukhona la eveni kwabo. So ngifuna kucala lapho-ke Maswati lokho ukuthi who is King Mswati and what is his wealth. And siyabona lokuthi he's a very wealthy man, but sithi lo mcebo la uphethe Maswati njengoba nimbona nje ehlenyuka kuleli viki lesuka kulo leli lesilicedzako abe lapha kuMagomba emayini uyohlolela. Uyabona thina sakhula selusa wawuthi na uhamba ulijawu elusa la ekuhlahleni la etinsagweni ukhanze ukuthi kunetinyoni noma indladi noma ngematuba noma tinyoni ukhanze seyiyatalela lenyoni uthi ukhanze sidleke lapha seyinemacansi zawo. Uyabekisa isikhathi ukuthi emva kweliviki noma amabili ngidawubuya ngilohlolela lenyoni yami lengiyitholele letalela ukuze kuthi mangikhanza lamazini nje asangathi nje sekayakhula sekatawulunga kucala kundiza bese ngiyawathatha kumbe bese ngicale ngime nelileke ngicale ngishaye lonina bese ngithatha nalamazini nangibuyele ekhaya ngiyelipalishi ngiyawushenkela ngiyawesutha ngithi-ke leselusa la. So naye-ke nimbone ehle wenyuka uyohlolela. Wawuthi-ke nawelusile utata tidleke takho ukuthi kunenyoni lelapha kunenyoni lelapha ndawuhamba ngiyohlolela. Kanjalo netinyosi, nabe kunetinyosi lokubonile udawathi so isikhathi setinyosi nyalo kude akude luju lephasi mhlawumbe lidumile mhlawumbe kube njani nase ku-right sewathi ukuthi letinyosi leti ngakukhipha-ke manje bese uyahamba uyotikhokhela. So naye-ke wekunene nimbone ehlenyuka nje nimbone ehlenyuka nalo lonke lelive uyahlolela la kuhloleleni kwakhe-ke wekunene uhamba abhoca nini eMaswati ngemasenti. Senginibekisele ukuthi yena he's worth 3.6 billion. Ninto hamba nibhoca ngemasenti asenibekise nje lapha elibonjeni kuleli viki ku-announce ukuthi uvule ama-projects a-114 million. Yini 114 million ma umcathanisa na 3.6 billion? It's nothing. 114 million is slightly 9% of a billion, right? Slightly, right? So bese kuthiwa ke asishaye etandla thina. So lokwendekako la wehla wenyuka nje uthela nini banabo umancoba akhumana ngito leti gange letinkulu leti kuthelwa lamaswati loluthuthuva lamehlweni kuthi lima leti akulale sine sitawudla kakhulu ngala kuyaganga. So ngiko ke lokwendekako lokho nanibona le nkosi yehla yenyuka lonke lelive idlala ngani maswati yanichaphata kahle kahle ngoba yona ngiyo lele yeba le mali yelive timpilo tenu tibheke phasi nje kanje kulobukhosi lobugangako lobeba le mali yelive lento nje ifana nekuthi nanitelwe ekhaya ngoba ngidawuthanda kubekisa ngetinto lenitadiko maswati nanitelwe ekhaya nje kuba nendlunkulu nonke nitalwa la ndlunkulu angeke indlunkulu bese seyivuka ithengisa onke lamasima la ekhaya nithi niyavuka nikhanje semasima la ekhaya sahambile athengiswe indlunkulu kanzi nikhona nonke la ekhaya nibheke khona athi ndawuphila kuyindlunkulu. So kwenteka njalo la le ndlunkulu yelive ithi yona konke leti thako telive dayo and ngimonakalo lomkhulu-ke lo kufuna kuthi emaswati akuqedze loko ngoba ngiko lokubanga ekuthi sibe nelive lelinebukhosi lobungumgodzi kawugcwali lobungumgodzi kawugcwali la ukhanza khona athi sinenkosi leyibillionaire lihamba idlala ngemaswati la yenta ngathi wanike ama-projects ekutiphilisa kanzi ithi lala luladangu kwengule idlala nasibuka-ke maswati i-GDP yelive nasibuka elicwaningo lapha enhlanganweni lenkulu yakamhlaba i-World Bank nabo-IMF sikhanza ukuthi i-GDP as at 2023 yelive beyin 3,823 US dollars losho ukuthi nawe ibuyisa ngalo 18% ikuniketa 68,814 losho ukuthi ke i-GDP per capita maswati isho ukuthi malini imali umkamunye lokhona laveni la yakhako njalo ngeminyaka nangabe kuthathwa yonke into lengumkhiqido leyendiwe laveni yafakwa esilulwini sinye yasidivayidwa ngale nombolo yalabantu labala kulelive losho ukuthi thina nakwendiwa njalo i-GDP yethu kangwane is around 23 billion US dollars. So nangabe sisenda-ke lento ye-GDP per capita income sikhanza ukuthi ilapha 3,823 angeke-ke ngicile kakhulu maswati lapho lengulanzile nje ukuthi kube le distribution yalomnotho equal even umkamunye lokungenani ngabe uyamakha 68,814 ngeminyaka imali-ke leyo lekwenta kokuthi ngenyanga liswati ngalinye compared to lamanye emava fanele ngabe liyamakha 5,734 na 50 cent ngalinye nangabe sisebenta tindzaba te-GDP income per capita. Kodwa this is not the case. Eswatini poverty rate is well over 59%. Youth unemployment is almost 60%. 29% bantu are living in extreme forms of poverty. Usho ukuthi sinenkosi le-billionaire kodwa a sizable proportion noma-ke libandla lelikhulu lebantu labakhona eSwatini bathi mbuya bayahlupheka. Kungako maswati lelive noma licebe kangaka nine ningemaswati animuva lo mcebo. You don't feel the wealth of the country ngoba lo mnotho welive wonke uthathwa bukhosi udliwa bukhosi. Asesichubeke-ke maswati sibuke ukuthi i-royal budget yalonyaka bese sishido ukuthi 1,394,532,779 imali leyo leya ebukhosini. Uma ngabe ke singathi maswati siniketa bogogo nabomkhulu 2,000 emalangeni amunye kule mali le sithatha nje lo 1.3 billion siyamthatha lapha enkosini simletha ngala esiveni bese sithi asimdivide nga 2,000 rand. Lo thatha lo 1.3 billion simdivide nga 2,000 rand sikhanza ukuthi singakhona ukuholela bogogo nabomkhulu labang 650,000 uma ngabe ngibale kahle eMaswatini Ndangicole but nga 2000 shothi ungabala 2000 2000 2000 2000 2000 ubale labo gogo labo ukuthi batawuba bangaki lesitawukhona kubaholela ngale mali le losho ukuthi bangakhona ukuhola le mali lesikhuluma ngayo ngisini Maswati khona lo saphazamisa la yeah so ikanjalo so ngizama ukutshengisa ke the scale yaloku ganga nekwetshiwa kwalethi mali lokhona laveni ukuthi singakanani bese ke asesithathe ke lo 55 million lesikhulume ngayo simdivide nga 1.2 million weMaswati la khona eveni lo shothi sithatha lo 55 million lokhuliswe ngayo le mali yeliholo lenkosi le by the way inkosi nayihola le mali nyalo nje lo siqedza March ungena April utawuniketwa yonke le mali yakhe yena yonke in advance sihlale sisho lokho ukuthi uhola angasebenta ayithathe yonke isikhathi sinye kodwa libonke labanye abantu basebenza kucala bahole ekupheleni kwenyanga yena uyithatha yonke nje isigomulo umnyaka usuka ngoko letinto leti banga ukuthi live lingasakhona ukusebenza kahle uhulumeni abe ne cash flow problem so nasithi ke 55 million and lana sithatha nje lo 55 million lo ngediwe simdivide nga 1.2 million weMaswati sikhanza ukuthi imali enganga 45 emalangeni 83 cent iya ekhikhini leliswati ngalinye lo shothi lokukhulisa le mali nga 55 million bathethe 45 rand na 83 cent ekhikhini leliswati ngalinye eMaswati ke angathi hawu mamba angatotho sikhulumisa la nga 45 rand yini 45 rand inkulu kakhulu le mali lena Maswati nangabe sithi 45 rand ngalinye liswati and ngifuna kunibekisela ukuthi ngisho ngani ukuthi inkulu imali Maswati yakhiwa ngemasenti ungayicabanga imali bomiliyoni bobillion but yonke le mali leyo yakhiwa ngemasenti so uma ngabe uthatha 45 rand 45 rand imali leningi kakhulu nangabe utawusebenza ngema volumes asengibekise nje ngithi nakungasuka eMaswati eMaswati lang 1000 sibekise sithi uhulumende okay akalinike ngalinye liswati lo 45 rand anganiki le mali because sithathe sinikete laMaswati ngalinye liswati litawuthola lo 45 rand na 83 cent asuke laMaswati ahlangane athi hayi thine incane kakhulu le mali asifuna kuhlangana sibe ngu1000 sakhe i-cooperative society right kwendekani nawenda njalo lo 1000 weMaswati suddenly nawubhika labo 45 rand babo 83 cent sebana 45,830 right imali leyo lehlanganiswe ngilabantu labangu 1000 seyakha ke 45,830 now 45,830 siyayisive la amabhange naleti khwama letikhona ukuthi mawufuna kuboleka ufuna to raise 10% wale mali oyibolekako right sesiyabekisa ke sithi 45,000 10% wa at least 450,000 kusho ukuthi le nhlangano ya 1000 webantu seyinayo icapacity ekuhamba iyoboleka imali lengi 450,000 uma ngabe lela iboleka khona bafuna sibekelo noma ke deposit ya 10% niyangiva Maswati that's the power of cents lama senti uyawathatha you are making them give real value for bantu labangu 1000 so labantu abangu 1000 suddenly sebane capital labangacala ngayo i-business venture ya 450,000 sebangahamba basebende noma bavula umshini wegaya noma bavula i-feedlot noma bane capital ya 150,000 I mean ya 450,000 lo 450,000 lo uma ngabe bamsebenzise kahle le business yabo yaba profitable ungakhanza athi by the time phela umnyaka noma mibili cishe sebamakhile 1 million iyakhula le ngabhani lo shoyo ukuthi umuntu amunye lebekana 45 rand suddenly so part of a business initiative let's say worth 3 million or 2 million. Yeah, right? So if you flip the model and create an ecosystem and lana sibekisa nje nga 1000 webantu khumbula ukuthi mbambambamba kulo 55 million akusi 1000 webantu labanga benefit, right? So if that is happening at a scale across the board all over the country, you are beginning to ignite an economic revolution. In particular, uma ngabe lama cooperatives latawakhiwa ngilabantu anema viable business projects, ane access to equity and financing, aphinze ane access to ema value chains, ema supply chains, economy and global markets. La abathengisa khona imikhiqizo yabo, which means une enterprise lesuke nga 45 rand. Ngifuna sicabange kanjalo mso, nga 45 rand. And we can further flip this, or we can further enhance the analogy lesikhuluma ngayo. So it's okay, instead of ukuthi eMaswati divide ngalo 1.2 million, ngoba 1.2 million ufaka lonke eliswati lelikhona noma uliswane noma umdzala ufaka lonke eliswati. But nasithanza singakwehlisa lokho sithi hayi excuse me sithi hayi khona asesibakhiphe banvana, right? Asesibakhiphe bantwana sisebenzise nje abantu labadzala even ukuthi nasithi sebenzisa abantu labadzala even sisho bantu laba sebafikile ku age of majority noma ke ku 18 weminyaka lo shothi bonke abantu labana 18 and below siyabakhipha. Athini ke ma statistics athe ma statistics elive na ufunza census, the most recent census report isikhombisa ukuthi bantwana la kangwane excuse me abama minors lo shothi labangaphansi kwa 18 years bang 43% of the overall population yelive. Lo shothi ke ufuna uthi 43% of over 43% of the population ya 1.2 million utakuniketa 516,000 webantwana. Shothi kule population ya 1.2 million lesinayo even of that population 516,000 bantwana siyamthatha ke lo 516 siyamkhipha sithi hayi laba ngesiba allocate lo 45 rand. Kusala bani ke kusala 684,000 webantu labadzala labakhona ukusebenza even and ke la asibuki ukuthi ukhubatekile noma unjani, wa just hypothetically saying kunale nombolo leyo yeMaswati. So instead of kenyalo ukusidivide lo 55 million lo follow inkosi simdivide nga 1.2 sesitamdivide ngalama adults from 18 years upwards lesithide bantu labang 684,000 la. So la nasenda njalo ke usiniketa ukuthi 55 million divide by 684,000 sithola ukuthi iyakhuphuka le mali yak 80 rand 41 cent, 80 emalangeni 41 cents. So that's almost double, right? Almost double lo 45 rand. Now we can take the same analogy and then apply it to again sithi of those people nangabe 1,000 wabo bahlangana umuntu yahlangana khipha lo 80 rand wakhe amfaka esikhwameni, labantu labo babese baba na 80,410 emalangeni as initial capital once off, right? Yonke le mali iqhamuka kunanga ya 55 million lo niketwe inkosi sisengambala lo 1.3 billion, right? So labantu labang 1,000, right? Suddenly bana access to 10%, I mean 80,410, of which 840,000 mhlawumbe kungaba u10% wakhe lo. Losho silabantu laba nangabe kunelibhange noma kune finance instrument ledzinga kube ne collateral ya 10%, labantu laba bangahamba babekele ngalo 80,000 wabo bayithole i-loan ye-project le-viable ya 800,000 emalangeni, right? Capital yabo, like operative business yabo. So 1,000 people suddenly have 800,000. Once of that, they can multiply and use in the economy to create access to economic opportunities for themselves and for their families. So that's the thinking. Lesikhanza ukuthi it's in a sense, if unebantu labahleli phasi bacabanga critically ngalomnotho ukuthi le mali emaswati esikhundleni sethi iye ledulu ebukhosini ayiye kulamaswati, ingabe sisemtshentiswa njani naye kulamaswati. So this is one model of many yekwenda ukuthi emaswati imali ivakale lamakhikhi. And ngishito ukuthi lo 1,000 siyabhekisa ungakhanza ukuthi kule mali le it's far more than 1,000 emaswati who can pull together let mandate and actually then use that as a economic muscle and baseline to begin investments that can catalyze economic activity at the localized level of the country. And leyo mali leyo iya directly kuphi emaswatini. So noma ngaba ubaniki ke lamaswati le mali direct labo 50 rand nabo 80 rand direct emakhikhi, but you create a model noma ke paradigm where le mali can be pooled, ngoba emasenti uma wahlanganisile ayayakha ivalue njengoba sengibekisile than now isolate nangabe uthi umuntu umnika 45 rand uthenga singwa kuphelile. But labo 45 rand nabahlanganiswe bani labangu 1,000 sebakuniketa imali lenkulu njengoba sengibekisile ukuthi kuphuma 45,000 labo 80 rand kuphuma 80,000. So ngileta ibalo ke lefuna ukuthi bantu labakuhulumende bahlale phansi batende le. Of course considering ukuthi le budget nayingena yelive ingena ngema cycles akusho ukuthi imali lehlala nje ikhona kuna 32 billion lohlala ukhona, no. Imali le hulumende ayibutha ngekota noma ngenyanga. But lesifuna kusho la ukuthi kulena yengosi specifically ingosi ithatha upfront le mali lo shothi singakhona ukuyisebenzisa as an example ukuthi imali le immediately lengaba available to implement and test some of these models to eradicate and fight poverty. Lokunye ke lokungentiwa la ukuthi lo 55 million mawumthatha sesithi asiphume kule model yebantu ukuthi umuntu awuthola malini as a metric. Sibuke ukuthi okay sithatha lo 55 million simdivide ngale tinkundla leti 59. So kube lo nyaka sithe asekume ukukhula kwemaholo ekhosi sithatha le mali yonke lo 55 million siyamdivide simmixe etinkundleni la kunalabantu khona. Inkundla ngayinye beyingathola 932,203. Niyakhumbula ukuthi kwanyalo yonke inkundla njalo ngenyanga Minister of Finance uyiphakela 3 million inkundla ngenkundla. Losho ukuthi kube asikakhulisi ngale bukhosini sakhulisa ngala siveni ngabe lokungenani inkundla nyalo tonke tina 4 million, almost 4 million, 3.9 million, 3.932 203, right? 3,932,203 ngabe inkundla ngayinye iniketwe le mali le. But this is not the case. Ithethwe yonke le mali yafakwa kuphi? Yafakwa lapha kumgodi awugcwali. So sinenkinga ke silive yamgodi kawugcwali. Mgodi kawugcwali uyalibulala kakhulu lelive. Emaswati athwele kanzima, indzaba athwale kanzima emaswati umgodi kawugcwali. Lekufuna ke kuthi emaswati abuke ukuthi umgodi kawugcwali simenta kanjani ngoba uhlupheka kwethu kuyabonakala la singathi konke kusime lapha kumgodi kawugcwali. Lenye indlela lengabukwa ngiloko ukuthi okay instead of ukuthi si divide lo 55 million nga 59 wenkundla asengete lo 4 million so that le mali vele ibe nge59 million. In that case yonke inkundla ithola 1 million extra, which means 59 million would have been spent on each inkundla. Lo shothi inkundla ke seyina 4 million ngcike nyanga for the year 2024-2025. This is an increment. It is small, but it is better because it is going to the people and ayi kumgodi kawugcwali. This is the conversation le mfuna ke Maswati nibe nawo lapho emakhaya. Lenye indlela kungaba ukuthi lo 55 million uvela ujutshwe kuthiwe okay asebenzise nje just one flat structure jube lo 55 million by 4 ema-regions elive ang-4 bese sithatha le mali iya kuma-regions. Ama-regions asathatha ibonela ukuthi ayifaka kuphi le mali. Lokho ngasho ukuthi i-region ngayinye iba na 13,750,000 i-region 13,715,000. Ngithini-ke la Maswati mbambamba le ngikuthoko la Maswati ukuthi sidzinga silive kucabangisisa ukuthi le timali telive tisebenta njani, tiya kuphi, tiya esiveni noma tiya kumgodi awugcwali. And sithi thina kungcono sile timali telive tiye esiveni kunekuthi tingaya kumgodi kawugcwali. Ngike ngabekisa nje ngathi uyathi kokuthi uma ngabe singathi inkosi siyikhulisela ngalo 55 million kusukela nyalo iziyohlanganisa 70 weminyaka ngoba ina 57 lo nyaka losho ukuthi awusala 13 years ukuthi ifike ku70 besethemba ukuthi ngeke ifike ngoba hayi le live lingabe linemgodi lomkhulu kwalona lingabe lingumgodi kawugcwali. Ungafuneka 715 million ukwenda lokho. Singabali inzela noma ke kukhula kwale mali over the years. But nasingaqhubeka kusukela namuhla sinikete Mswati 55 million. Simnikete for the next 13 years. Ngeminyaka 55 million, 55 million, 55 million. Singathi siyofika 13 years from now. Nakahlanganisa 70 weminyaka Mswati nga 2030 nga 2038 singabe singadinga simnikete 715 million. Then why must we as a country carry such an unreasonable burden? Yini le eMaswati la budle la yona lobukhosi lobenda kokuthi eMaswati fanele sabhadale timali letishisiwe ngalendlela letibhadalwa ngayo. Right? So lokunye ke lesikubuka ukuthi lokunentiwe lokutshengisa kusanguluka kwengcondo ngendlela imali lesentshentiswa ngayo. Kungaba ngokuthi lo 55 million lo masingathiwa siyamthatha singamikisi kumgodi kawugcwali. Sithathe lo 55 million sithi hayi uhulumende thola i-investment instrument la singabo la stawo iParliament itawusayina ukuthi lo 55 million lo asongene kunaya i-investment instrument lenenzela mhlawumbe ya 7%, nenzela 9% depending on a favorable interest rate la singayifaka khona le mali. Right? Sithi sitayifaka lapha for 10 years. Le mali leyo nasiyifaka nje Maswati without interest for 10 years 55 million now umfaka in an account for 10 years ukuniketa 550 million. That is almost, it is actually slightly above $500 million. That is money that you make. Leave actually lingaba na 550 million. Lo 550 million lona 10% wa 5,500 million. Lo shoke ukuthi ungahamba nangabe khona abantu ababolekisa imali bafuna sibambiso sa 10%. Ungahamba uboleka 5 billion against le mali leyo. Bese uthatha lo 5 billion loyo uyabuya umsebenzisa kuma projects la viable latawu generate imisebenzi, latawu generate equity, latawu generate ama profits for eMaswati. Now, the capital and fiscal and equity markets in the world are available for such things. You can use le mali to bond against kuboleka ngendlela letawubuya yakhe imisebenzi la eve. So dingo leti lefuna ukuthi sibuke ngeliso lelikhaliphi. So 55 million over 10 years. Excuse me. Esikhundleni sekwekuthi umfaka umgodi kawugcwali. Uyamthatha lo 55 million umfaka la Maswati. In 10 years time you have 550 million njengoba sengibekisile. Uma ngabe kune financial ekhona ukuboleka based on isibambiso sa 10%, ungamboleka 5.5 billion. Ndawubuya la reinvestor in many different instruments or in many different viable projects. Njengoba sengishito ukuthi la maswati fanele ku create i-ecosystem letawuphasisa projects la viable, la linked to supply and procurement chains, la linked to global markets for export and the attraction of foreign currency for the country. These are the kinds of things that we need to think outside the box about. Silive, kusiyekele le mentality, le consumption mentality, because yonke le mali siyifaka lapha kumgodi awugcwali. It's not an investment to the country. Yonke le mali efaka kumgodi awugcwali is consumption. It's a recurrent expenditure. Lo sinakulo mnyaka lotaku utawuphinza chamuke umgodi awugcwali. Asavule etandla futhi athi sifake lo munye 55 million kulo mgodi longagcwali. Is this how we want to run our country, our affairs? And uma sikucathanisa lokhu maswati, sikucathanisa na hulumende mhlawumbe welive, hulumende Lord ebuKhosi, yonke le expenditure lena ngabe side. Ngoba Prime Minister lesinaye, for example, now, I may not be sure of the actual figures, but ngiyathi Prime Minister gross pay yakhe perhaps ilapha kubo 80,000-90,000, I don't know. So ngabe ngileyo i-cost silive lesi incurishako ukuthi sina Prime Minister, and it would never even get anywhere near 55 million for the Prime Minister alone, and also for the cabinet. So we could have actually a very modest expenditure on the overheads of our political functionaries and office bearers, which will be cabinet, Prime Minister pass. And so thine sine problem ethi kunebukhosi le sibubhadalaka uva lokuthi sibubhadala lo bukhosi sibukweletani bamba. Yini emaswati la fanele akhiphe imali yona akhiphe le bukhosi lobungumgodi kawugcwali? These are the questions that we must be asking. Silive asikhona ukuholela bogogo nabomkhulu emakhaya, asikhona kuvusa ema-university ethu, asikhona kufaka imithi netinsita emitholampilo, asikhona kuniketa imifundzate kubantu besikolo, asikhona kwakha imigwaqo letiyela le emakhaya la kunesive khona, asikhona kwakhela sive emadamu la emimangweni ukuthi batiphilise abantu balimeta ingathe, asikhona kwenda lutho. Sithatha imali yonke live siyifaka umgodi kawugcwali. Sithatha imali yonke live siyifaka kubo Fish ICC, labanye bomgodi kawugcwali nabo labo. Sithatha imali yonke live sidlala ngayo. Itawubuyaphi le mali emaswati kwakha le live le kufuna ukuthi bantwana labadelwe 3-4 generations after us balikhanze liphilile, bathi ukuthi kwaba nemadvodza nabomake kule live balakha lema le live linema structures la khonsako langamcetha 200 years akhiwa ngetimali temaswati. Thina etimali temaswati tiyathathwa tifakwa kumgodi kawugcwali. Likhona yini live lelingakhiwa kanjani? So sifuna ke ukuthi ke thina la Visionary Perspectives eSwatini ngetulu kwetibiyo, ngoba tibiyo khona amaswati, tibiyo temaswati, kunema initiatives lesingawenda enisiko ukuthi lawo ma initiatives lawo ngeke yini alisite leliswati, ngoba sikhuluma ngeminyaka weliswati. Masikhuluma ngeminyaka weliswati sisho ukuthi leswati kufuna liphakame, licakame, limile timbiko liswati lindize ikakhulu kutemnotho. So sifuna ukukhulumisa nyalo ukuthi yini tintfo lesingatenda maswati kuze ukuthi tikhone kwendeka letintfo leti lesikhuluma ngayo. Kunetintfo lesingasistende immediately kule budget lesikhuluma ngayo, sikwende nje immediately sicale kubona umphumela futhi immediately. Kukhona lesikuthi akuproposal okukhanza ukuthi mhlawumbe singathi sitawukwenda for the next 12 years. Umvuzo noma ke kuvuthwa kwako siyawukubona in 12 years time. So we have policy choices to make here. But asengicale ngana I'm going to hypothetically noma ke ngekubekisa nje Maswati ngidawuthi this is the 1 billion Liswati initiative. The 1 billion Emalangeni Liswati initiative. Lo shoke ukuthi siyati ukuthi budget ye leave yalonyaka ng32 billion. So sithi ke sithatha ke kulo 32 billion sifuna ukuthatha nje sifuna ukuthatha Maswati akithi 1 billion. Lo 1 billion kulo 32 billion budget nasingamthatha simbeke eceleni u representa 3.13% wale budget ye leave ye national budget seyonke thatha nje 3.13%, right? Noma ke sithi asiyithathi la kule budget siyilanza kaTibiyo le mali sithi Tibiyo sinikete 1 billion. We want to initiate a 1 billion Liswati initiative, 1 billion Emalangeni Liswati initiative. We create or we capacitate a government structure to manage these resources and drive what I'm going to explain right now. So masithi lo 1 billion over 32 billion sengishito ukuthi it's 3.13% of the national budget. Siyayithatha ke le mali. Remember we're talking about immediate things that we can do. Now sengishito already ukuthi lo 1 billion lo if simthatha kaTibiyo it means it's cash we already have. It's cash on the table. So akusiyo imali lesitayimela ukuthi ubuthe emalini SRA ukuthi sevele imali lekhona uma siyithatha kaTibiyo, right? But obviously mangaba siyithatha kaTibiyo siyithatha kule mali si-generator quarter per quarter kusho ukuthi the way in which we structure the instrument of the 1 billion Liswati initiative will be different because it will be informed by the injection of equity every quarter as unyaka uchubeka. But we want to see immediate results between now and the next financial year, right? So mangabe simthatha ke lo 1 billion sithi eMaswati laveni angu 1.2 million ngibekise ngalo 1.2 million sitawubuyela siyobekisa ngala Maswati ma-adults ukuthi kuleyo scenario kungaba kanjani. So siyamthatha ke lo 1 billion simdivide ngalo 1.2 million kusho ukuthi Liswati ngalinye la lithola 833 rand. Now ngathi uthethe 1 billion wathi okay Maswati ngifuna nje kuninike esandleni ngamunye imali. Liswati ngalinye litawuthola 833 kanye once off. Lo show ukuthi na uyibuka le mali le already ingetulu kwale mali leniketwa abogogo nabomkhulu as a grant per month, right? But obviously incane nangabe uyibuka in the sense yokuthi yona it's a once off, right? But angikho lapho ngifuna kuyisebenzisa as an indicative value ukuthi lo 833 emalangeni masimthatha nje sitawubekisa ngebantu laba 100 sithi bayesuka abantu besithobeleni enkundleni nasesithobeleni laba 100 bayabuthana bathi hey sesiyitholile le mali yethu manje kuhulumende le 833 manje incane so thina sicabanga kuyihlanganisa le mali sitobona ukuthi sakha muphi umsebenzi nabayithatha labantu laba 100 bayihlanganisa labo 833 emalangeni babo sebana 83,300 sesendakelele ngithi tasikwende kuqala ukuthi sebayabuka kenyalo so sesina 83,300 wethu siyinhlangano nguphi la singabe boleka khona imali sibambise noma ke sibasifuna ideposit ya 10% sibe naye nang 80,000 lo tasiniketa 800,000 lo 800,000 wethu icapital noma i-equity ekuqala lo msebenzi wethu lesifuna kuwenda lo tawungenisa imali ema-profit margins angabe aya-calculate but labantu labo laba 100 sebane business enterprise sebane business enterprise le maximizer noma le optimizer noma le leverage lo 833 rand lokuhamba kuhulumende. Now, there are many ways in which you can think innovatively about how the financial sector is brought in as a player in the central bank to support labantu laba to access further equity for their business ventures. And the role of insurance, the roles of financial actors, the role of fiscal agents in this whole enterprise, as well as the role of government. So if labantu laba, for example, but decide working kapani ngalo 83,000 wabo lo bese esekuba nemathenda laba wathola esikhundleni sesilamathenda ngibe kusebantu basesithobelweni kunemathenda lapha kunesibhedlela kunetindlu kune RDA kunetindlu tabothishela tidzinga kurenovatwa kunani le misebenzi leyo le around esithobelweni sekuthiwa wo lamathenda lawo akaniketwe naye inkampani naba abantu naba laba 100 bahambe basebenzi nabe tindlu kubhobokile ngibo labawu replace and all those things bahamba baniketwa le tender bahamba ba raise le mali bahamba bayasebenza bakhe profit babhadala lesikwelede nabo bakhe i-profit. They are participating now, these people, in the economic ecosystem of the country, and when the lenvo leyo ngani ngananga 833 rand uqhamuke plo 833 rand uqhamuke nanga ku 1 billion weliswati initiative, right? So if you have people who are dedicated to seeing how this model can work on a day-to-day basis, and we have already bantu labaqashwe nguhulumende, so we don't have to worry about overhead costs and all those things, because bakhona abantu laba development specialists, laba economists, laba actuaries, accountants, and all those things already in the government machinery. You just need to use them, right? So you are not worried about overhead costs in terms of how to manage these things on behalf of the people and on behalf of the government. So in this way, you are creating a liquid infrastructure of public participation in the economy. And this is just one aspect of how you can do it, right? Just one aspect of how you can do it. Now, asesibuke ukuthi if singendi kanjalo singalandzeli lo mkhakha lesengubekisile webantu abang100, because just 100 of those people imagine this in a snowflake way, or the multiplier effect of labo 100 balabantu laba benefita from the scheme less, labanye basesithobelweni, labanye baphase sikwe, labanye basemandla ngempisi, labanye bakalavumisa, labanye bakashewula, labanye bakuphi, labanye bakuphi, labanye. That's how you must think about it. And all these people are creating downstream economic opportunities as well for labanye in terms of localized jobs, in terms of a pipeline of business opportunities langaba khona eve, right? But asesibuke kenyalo ukuthi uma ngabe singendi njalo sithatha lo 1 billion sithi hayi lo 1 billion sifuna instead of ukuthi lo 1 billion simsebenzise nyalo ngalendlela esengiyichazile, sesithatha 1 billion every year kule budget, every year for 12 years. Kusho ukuthi in 12 years sitabe sibeke eceleni 12 billion, right? Ngalesibekisile sathi 550 million for 10 years wakha 550 million. But la sitabe sakhe 12 billion imali lesibeke eceleni uma ngabe every year siyakhona kutimpinja noma sithi kuti biyo every year wena sinikete 1 billion for the next 12 years, noma tibiyo nahulumende hlanganani nibone kuphi, nibone ukuthi niyithatha kuphi kule economy yakangwane imali letawakha na i1 billion liswati initiative letawubeseke yenda letinto letishoko. So you are taking this, now you have 12 billion. This 12 billion usengakayifaki interest. So if you have a 7 or 4% interest on this 1 billion every year, so ngatibalela wena ukuthi if you include a compound interest, how much will you have at the end of the 12 years? It will be far more than the 12 billion itself. But mina indicatively ngisebenzisa le 12 billion ndobona ukuthi kwendekana. Shothi ke umfana lo ngathi ke adult lena 30 years old namuhla, right? And ifanele ime for 12 years to benefit from this initiative. Itabina 42 years in the next 12 years. And in 42 years, lo usemusha, prime, usengasebenta, usengayivula ibhizinisi, and all those things, right? So lesikhwama sesivuthiwe sesina 12 billion. Imagine now, 12 billion. If you're using 12 billion, how much can you unlock now 12 billion in the fiscal market or in the equity market? Now, 12 billion, man, but ngifuna 1 trillion. Ngakhona ngibambisa ngalo 12 billion unginikete lo 1 trillion ngihambe ngiyosebenza ngivula imisebenzi. Now imagine 1 trillion coming into the country to catalyze jobs, to catalyze industry, to catalyze industrialization, to catalyze development and other things, where you are now using this to invest in projects that are revenue generating projects. Because this is something that I must emphasize. Lelive has spent a lot of time investing in projects that bring no economic value and that have no economic sense. So we need to change that paradigm so that we can invest in projects that will bring in money. Now, it's a 10 key project. It doesn't now. From the day this project is going to start developing equity and it will break even and then it will start generating profits. That's how state-owned enterprises have worked elsewhere in other economies. So, lo 12 billion loan nasimbuka sikhanza lokuthi imali lenengi lengakhona kusebenta even ngendlela legahle. Asesithi ke kulo 12 billion lo 12 billion lo nasibiyele emuva kule example ya 833 lebesikhuluma ngayo ngenhla. Kusho ukuthi ngeminyaka ngoba side ngeminyaka usiniketa 833. Sho ukuthi sithi 833 times 12 years. Kusho ukuthi in 12 years leliswati lefanele ngalithole 833 selitawuthola 9,996, which is almost short of 400 being 10,000 once off, right? Now think of it like this. Mangabe leliswati leli kulo 100 umaswati lesibekisa ngawo ngikhumbule ngisibekisa 100 umaswati. But we can then multiply that sibuke ukuthi mangakhe maswati lafithayo kulo 1 billion, right? In terms of the population and the figures. Kusho ukuthi singathi ke nyalo 100 wala maswati, each of them uphethe lo 9,996. So we say 100 people times 9,996 usiniketa almost a million. So it's 999,600, right? So now we get 400 rand kubang 1 million plus or minus a million. Asikayibali interest. Now ufake interest of 1 point something million, right? Now if you have 1 million and we say you need 10% to access capital for your business venture, that means if you have 1 million, you can access up to 10 million in capital. This group of 100 people suddenly have access now to capital of 100 million working capital. Now, this also speaks to the what could be the design logic of lama financial institutions lengwona tawubolekisa letimali to these kulamaswati lafanele atisebenzisa, right? But also lofanele ukunayo ukuthi 12 billion in 10% 10% or 1.2 trillion, right? Which means if you actually want to raise imali enganga 1.2 trillion, mangabe bakufuna collateral noma sibambiso sa 10%, then you need 12 billion. Then you raise that money, right? Now, the other side of the paradigm, adults versus children. Lapha the potential is even bigger for our example. And Sawubela sibekise ngalo 100 webantu, right? So skipege lo 516 bambana kuselema adults odwa. Says it's 1 billion divided by the number of adults in the population, and it gives us a standard figure of 1,462. Lo shothi nangabe 1 billion unayo esandleni, umhlephule ekhathi umdivider kubantu labang 684,000 umuntu kamuntu awuthola 1,462, right? And 1,462, and nabe bantu labang 100 babuthana amunye aphethele imali leyo already, labantu labo sebana 146,200, right? Which means they can then look for capital for 1.4 million. I think Senbek's enough about what my thinking is around these things. The point that I'm trying to make, you can actually stop investing in the royal family and invest more in the people. And of course, the royal family is there. They've got an interest now in the country, but it looks like we are investing too much of the national fiscus in the royal family as opposed to too much in the people. And this is the nature of our problem as a country, because yonke le nkulumo lesihlale sikhuluma ngayo sovereignty, who is more important kani kule live? Is it the people or it's the monarchy? Right? And it seems like the stratification of our politics, of our economics, of everything is such that Labamchoga is the royal family. But we can change the way in which we look at imali elive and how imali elive ingasetshenziswa ngakhona. So these examples that I have given here are not exhaustive from an economic standpoint, to the left, but they are indicative in terms of what it is that if you apply outside the box thinking, you can actually achieve. If for example, we take these 100 people and expand them and say 20,000 people, and then you bring a replicative kind of impact of what those measures would do, you begin to see always when you take equity money, when you take money from the top and you put it in people's pockets, you are going to have positive downstream impacts, a domino effect that's going to be very positive for the economy as people start to participate. So we are actually decentralizing imali elive from a few and making it available to a larger population. So we are saying, we need to think about the 1 billion Liswati initiative, because the 1 billion Liswati initiative could transform the lives and lift many Emaswati from poverty if the model is worked out very well and clearly, and if we are able to maximize on the revenues, the little revenues that we have. But most importantly, for its success, we need to galvanize the finance sector, because yabona i-economy yethu ukhanza kwekuthi bantu labatfola i-access to i-capital and equity belungu noma bantu labasebukhosini, eMaswati noma ngaba nayo the most brilliant of ideas, they don't have the financing for it. So we need to create ways in which Emaswati can have access to financing for their business ideas. And then we have to support these business ventures and these business ideas with the necessary capital to backstop them. And it may not necessarily be actual cash. Some of these things may need the resources, the tools, that you need to actually run your enterprise, right? But of course, you also have to have operating capital. So we must create that ecosystem that will allow lamaswati abe busy nawo. Akusudla mgodi lo ungaqwaledwa. Akadle nalamaswati. Lawo lelive. So we need to think in ways gelenda ukuthi le mali elive ivakale kulamaswati ukuthi yini kuba seven leliphilako. And I've always argued ukuthi we have a very small population in this country. And because we have a small population, it's very easy ukuthi si capitalize kule demographic dividend yethu siyithathe siyende ibe advantage kude liswati mbamba lekufanele singaliphila ebuphuyeni kube letinto sidenda ngendlela ukuthi sifake umdlandla ekunakeni leliswati lona qobo lwalo lekhaya. So now asesibuke la ukuthi kwendekani lelive leli alwanake maswati lelive leli lakha tinto letingangenisi imali ekhikhini lemaswati kunabo Royal Villas imali yakhona ungangitshela nje wena thi yaphi iyakatibiyo kunabo Sikhuphe le airport lesolona namhlanje lokhu itension dibilishe profit kune oil reserve lekuthiwa itawakhiwa nyalo nga5 billion kude imali letayingenisa kune parliament leyakhiwako nayo ekuthiwa itawakhiwa ngeloan ya 1.5 billion leqhamuke ndiya le parliament naseyiphelile ngeke kude imali letayingenisa kune ICC fish lapho ke kufihlwe emehlo sesijakele kubo 8 billion 9 billion imali lefakwe lapha kuna info lekuthiwa iICC fish asongitshele ke maswati ukuthi kube every year le mali besingayifaki lapha eICC fish besiyibeka ngabe nyalo sesinaye 8 billion wethu nje lohleli lesigadze ukuthi nasifika ku 10 12 years utaba savuthiwe sithethe le mali sayifaka lapha ku-ICC fish lento leya ye-ICC fish noma ingaba yinhle kwani noma ngathi iyacala iyasebenta kunema conferences letako itawuthatha a very long time ingamcetha na 30 years so lingayendi profit. So umbuto uthi nguphi lokungcono because la maswati the more uthatha le mali uyimikisa le phasi emaswatini the more wakha le taxable economic base wakha labantu bayanza lalo ungaphinza ubathelise wakha le mali yekwenda letinye tinhlelo te-industrialization te-development social sector expenditures and other things that need to be done in the economy. But now uphuyisa la maswati uwamunyisa kwelikhadami azabete ingane utasuyakha ngani le mali yekwenda tonke letinye tidzingo telive. So this country now is on the verge of bankruptcy because of people who can't think and labangabuki lokho ukuthi lelive mangabe silibamba kanje litawuphunyula la life la so long as le mali iya kumgodi kawuqwali ingaye maswatini lelive litawuba la likhona khona maswati. So ke ngithi ke sengigcina maswati akithi sengigcina ngidawubekisa ngale budget kenyalo yenkosi ukuthi le budget ya 1.3 billion le ebukhosini iyodwa nje i representa 10% i representa 10% wa sini maswati wa 13 billion, right? Losho ukuthi now uthi 1.3 billion times 10 years utaba na 13 billion, right? Ekhikhini lakho lo 13 billion lo naye 10% wa 1.3 trillion. Losho ukuthi now ungathola umuntu lo ngakunika iloan ya 1.3 trillion based on le mali lo hleli nayo ekhikhini lo 1.3 trillion ungamenda be available in the economy, right? So that is why bengithi ke some of these things may perhaps not be modeled in a way ukuthi ema financiers asebenzisa the 10% threshold and I accept ukuthi it may not work like that. Maybe my financiers have even other thresholds, maybe after 20%. Then in that case, you adjust the model according to what the financiers need. The important thing is, how do you make the finance institutions in the country operate in such a way that they are creating wealth for the indigents of the country. Because that is what this is about. Nathi Cash. Nathi Cash is a billionaire today. But his first loan came from Swazi Bank, right? His first loan in his life is a billionaire today. His first loan came from Swazi Bank. Because he was a white person, he was able to walk into the bank only with a briefcase and came out with a loan that helped him to establish Swazi Mills and other companies. And today he's a billionaire owning a conglomerate all over the world. Now, financial institutions must do that to black business, to black people. And we must sit down. If you are a government, you must sit down and have a conversation with the bankers to say we have a very robust, radical program of creating black wealth. How are you going to participate? How are you going to do it? What financial instruments are within our reach to do it? What pension schemes can participate in making equity available for viable business projects and enterprises that are catalyzed by the 1 billion Liswati initiative? That's the kind of thing that must happen. Hayi labantu labo labahamba behle benyuka benda imikhaba la bavule ema-retail shops, bavula ama-petrol stations bese batshela thina sima-investments lawo. No, those investments are very minuscule, and like Inshito last week, they pay minuscule salaries also. So we need to flip this thing in ways that when Maswat begin to see value and begin to see a government that's very serious about creating equity and access to economic opportunity for Maswat. And inqumbi ke le tinto leti lengichaza ngeke lama financiers globally in the continent and even in domestically ngeke atfake letimali dawo lakati khona ngokuthi i-rule of law ayisebenzi kahle. Lakati khona semandla onke la kunamnini mandla onke la vele. Lakati khona ukuthi kune corruption nemakhabhali kunandvunankulu lothi uyihead anti corruption kodwa kude ngisho linye licala le high profile le corruption leselike la prosecutor la vele lo ndvunankulu sowuceda umnyaka netinyanga cishe ngathi leti positive esithupha asehhovisi, nothing whatsoever around fighting corruption. So all these things that I have explained today require a political framework where you will have strong institutions of accountability, strong institutions of transparency, strong institutions of governance, including oversight over le timali ngoba imali letawushintsha the interface between eMaswati and poverty, because that interface has to be addressed. eMaswati are wallowing in poverty, and we need new forms of thinking about how we can pull eMaswati out of poverty. And labantu laba population, laba economic planning, they must sit together and work out models in which these things can be done and be achieved. It is possible for these things to be done. You need the right vision to do them. You need the right systems to be in place, including if you don't have this money readily available from the truncated collection of national resources, you can be able to start initiating the model in ways that anticipate how money is received by the state, which is in cycles. So you can also create the program such that it is also in cycles and it runs. You don't wait to have the entire 1 billion on the table. But of course, you can also decide to raise the 1 billion at once and then start working from there and increasing it exponentially over time. This is what we must, some of the things that we must do. So in order to achieve these things, like I've said, we need to study what are the pros, what are the cons, what's the fiscal planning that is required, what is the legislative framework that must be in place to regulate this, who are the finance actors that must be brought to the table, what are their views about the plan, how will they finance the plan? How do we lock them in making sure that the plan is financeable? And how do we also create value chains that make it possible for eMaswati to penetrate global market streams on the African continent, in developed countries, in Europe, in China, and all these other places. Because if you don't have a way in which eMaswati ultimately will produce, will have a robust manufacturing sector, a robust services sector, a robust export sector, then if you don't have that, how are you going to attract foreign income that is going to buttress your economy? Because ultimately the intention must be this ecosystem like generator kule emakhaya must be sufficient to make sure ukuthi libisi lwethu lonke siyakhona kulwenda la esithobelweni siphinde lolunye silukhicite siluthengise ngaphandle eShayina nalamanye amazwe. So that's what we must do. We must get rid of this over-reliance on SACCO and begin to create new forms of wealth generation that are going to ensure economic sovereignty of the country and sustainability. Sesigcina-ke eMaswati sifuna lokusho lokuthi indvo lemcwa kakhulu kule conversation yethu yanamuhla kwekuthi eMaswati adzinga kuphuma ekufakeni imali kumgodi kaugcwali. eMaswati adzinga kuphuma ekufakeni imali lenengi kumgodi kaugcwali. Kude bukhosi lesikweleta kona lokuthi kufanele sibe netimali lesitibhadalako letishisiwe letingaka yonke leminyaka sibe singayiboni le value kwekuthi where is the value for money for la Maswati? Where is the value for money for the Swazi? So this is the conversation we must have. And maybe some people will say, listening to this, excuse me, Maswati, some people will say, listening to this, hey, we are hlanya lo mfana, lama ideas are too radical, of course, and all that. Yes, those are legitimate questions, but we do also have legitimate concerns. So maybe the question must be, how do we ensure that the royal family, if it continues to exist, exists in a model and in a way in which it is not economically paramount for our government to pay attention to the royal family rather than paying attention to eMaswati? The overall fiscal responsibility of the government must be towards eMaswati. Lo hulumende must be Swazi facing. Lo hulumende kufuna nake la Maswati. Lo bukhosi ngibo empeleni kufanele ngabe kuthola emanembeletela lasale etafuleni. But la ukhanza kokuthi la Maswati ngiwo lathola emanambeletela lawe etafuleni lebukhosi. That this is wrong, and we have allowed it to happen for too long, and it must stop. We must end it. And this is why there is a revolution in the country that is being pursued. And eMaswati, we have that responsibility. Now, we have two options. We have an option where we coexist with the monarch and negotiate a way in which there can be a reconfiguration of the status quo and a realignment of priorities and interests so that imali enengi yelive iqale kuservice atidzingo teMaswati. Bogogo nabomkhulu njengoba sengibalile, emahole etisebenti tembuso, imifundzate etikolweni, timali tekuvusa tikolwa netibhedlela, kude for example an expanded public works program lesiyibona isukunyiswa ngesivinini lesikhulu to address le issue yetibhedlela tethu even lesetifile, and make sure we have world-class hospitals. These are some of the things, if we release money from the royal family and focus that money on our programs, we can start seeing. So that's one option, some kind of recalibration of the status quo, as it were, and in that configuration, you still have the royal family. The other option, which is more radical, is to cut off the royal family completely, cut it off. Baketulwe labantu basuswe la kulesihlalo kubuye uhulumende lomusha lotawuniketwa mandate kusemajaha silungisa le live nyalo siyasebenta funeka kwenziwe ABCD very quickly, kube nema-timelines, kube ne-plan, a national vision, a grand plan letawukhona kokuthi ik-achieve lokhu without the overbearing presence of the royal family. Now, this is the most radical way. It's radical in the sense that you actually cut the umbilical cord completely, cut it, and then you start afresh. But this course of action is also chaotic and it's very risky because we know that societies normatively, societies don't like change. Societies like stability, right? So that's why then when you take the radical route, there are going to be turbulences, right? But some people will argue that those turbulences will be necessary because when you have a childbirth, you have childbirth pangs, and those birth pangs can be very painful. Kuthi umfana lo sinakatalwa Maswati kube mnanzi noma ngabe utalwa normally ukuthi uyaphushwa umfana aphume noma utalwa ngekusikwa, both forms of kutalwa kwemuntu are painful. There is pain involved. So if we are to create a new Swazi, a new nation state, we must also feel the pain and we must be willing, Maswati, to take the pain. So see visionary perspectives eSwatini sesifike emaphethelweni alo lihlelo. Sicela ke ukuthi le nkulumo yanamhla Maswati niyishelelise nihambise ngayo i-share button yethu ide ufika lena nalena nelive kuwo emakhasi emoya lapho eMaswati atawukhona kuyethamela khona. Ngibonile ke labanye bacela ukuthi umhleli abofaka nasekhasini la ka-YouTube. Ngicela ukuthi umhleli kusukela namuhla akunake lo ukuthi eMaswati khona eMaswati lanemathatha abo YouTube kuphela. Athi acela athi lo hlelo libofakwa lapha ka-YouTube atokhona kubukela ngoba akakhona lokungena abukele la ka-Facebook. So let's do that mhleli. Alufakwe lo hlelo lapha every Sunday lufakwe lapha ka-YouTube atokhona eMaswati ukuthi aluthole. I-Black Mamba ke ngivelapho kaMamba Sibongo seyithi nilale kahle ekhona emakhaya Maswati akithi siyanithanda nonke. Sethemba ukuthi liviki lelisombulukako liyawuba lihle kinonke. Sethemba sina uNkulunkulu emazulwini uyawuba nani size sibonane njalo evikini lelitaka. Sigcina ke ngekusho ukuthi luhlelo lweni athini eMaswati asikakhoni ukuthi siphakame nalo kulo lesithathu besikuye. Ngako ukuthi ama-voice notes enu Maswati akafiki kulo 30 minutes lesibheke ukuthi afike kuye. Ngaleso sizathu ke sitalibamba lihlelo mhlama nasafikile 30 minutes lama-voice notes. Uma kubonakala ukuthi asikhona kulibamba njalo ngalesithathu, sitawubukisana kusemhlawumbe lube kanye ngenyanga noma njani. Kodwa lokumcoka kuyawuba ukuthi ema-voice notes ayangena yini kule nombolo lesayimemedela khona la elihlelweni. Angisho kanjalo ke Maswati kulolo hlangothi lolo sethembe ukuthi umsa wenkosi uyawuba nani nonke khona emakhaya. Maswati akithi siphetha ke ngekuthi the struggle continues, the struggle never sleeps, alutha continue. Akuphele ukuthi nya ukuthi imali delive dihambe diye kumgodi kawugcwale. Siyabonga Maswati akithi.